Hey there, health warriors! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a spice that's been cherished for centuries, ginger. If you're over 50, you're going to want to stick around because this powerful root might just be the game changer you've been looking for. From easing joint pain to boosting your immunity, ginger is packed with surprising benefits that have even doctors amazed. Let's get into it. First up, ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. As we age, joint pain and stiffness can become more common, but ginger can help. It's rich in compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and ease pain in conditions like osteoarthritis. Whether you enjoy it in a tea or add it to your meals, incorporating ginger into your diet can provide much-needed relief for those achy joints. Doctors are often surprised at how effective ginger can be as a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain medications. Next on the list is ginger's remarkable ability to support digestive health. As we get older, digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, and nausea can become more frequent. Ginger has been used for centuries to calm the stomach and improve digestion. It helps by speeding up the emptying of the stomach, which can be especially beneficial after a heavy meal. So, if you're dealing with an unsettled stomach or just want to keep your digestion running smoothly, ginger might be the natural remedy you need. Our immune system naturally weakens as we age, making it more important than ever to give it the support it needs. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and boost your immune response. In fact, ginger can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, keeping those pesky colds and flus at bay. Doctors are often amazed at how something as simple as ginger can have such a profound impact on immune health, especially for those over 50. Heart health is another area where ginger really shines. Studies have shown that ginger can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots, all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart as you age. By improving circulation and reducing inflammation, ginger can be a key player in your heart-healthy diet. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine is a delicious and natural way to keep your heart in tip-top shape, even as the years go by. Last but certainly not least, ginger may also play a role in keeping your brain sharp. As we age, cognitive decline can become a concern, but ginger's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help protect your brain. Some studies suggest that ginger can enhance memory and cognitive function, making it a valuable ally for mental clarity and focus. With its ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, ginger is a natural way to support brain health as you age. No wonder doctors are shocked by the powerful effects of this humble root. So how can you start reaping these benefits? Luckily, ginger is incredibly versatile. You can add it to your tea, blend it into smoothies, use it in cooking, or even take it as a supplement. Just a small amount daily can make a big difference in your overall health. Start incorporating ginger into your diet today and see for yourself why doctors are so impressed by its health benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and natural remedies. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, because everyone over 50 can benefit from the amazing power of ginger. See you in the next video.